Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre.
and we're going to open some Magic the
Magic the
Gathering
Gathering
Final
Fantasy.
Fantasy. So, meron ako nabili ulit na apat, and we'll open one today. And hopefully, we got the Tifa Lockhart and Cloud.
Chobaw.
Ha? Ano yun?
Chobaw? Yung.
Chocobo?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Siyempre, kailangan natin ng sleeves.
If we get some.
And, sige, tingnan natin. Let's see. Nung nag-open tayo ng tatlo nito, nag-open kami ng tatlo nito, wala kami nakuha. Hirap pa. Kunting na lang. Ano yung kunting? Ang hirap. Ayaw akong sirain eh. Sayang. So, nung nakabili kami sa neutral grounds, it was 500 pesos each.
And now?
Ngayon, nasa 700 sa neutral grounds sa Shopee niya, account nila. Pero nakabili tayo ng mura, and because sa mga sa Shopee, and because of sa mga discount, ano natin, nakakuha tayo ng ano. Teka, hindi ko alam ang card trick, pero ito to. Ako, basahin mo.
Circle 1 Wind Angel. Rex Imperial Capital. It's the Hollow Ashes Princess of Dailasima.
Wait lang. Tama ba ako?
Hede Ice.
Teka, nakuha mo na
Mystery
yata.
Elder.
Hindi ko alam yung card trick dito eh, pero
Tukuteral. Cat. Cat with a wing. Phyton. Hilgigas. Right? Am I correct? Black Wall Snow Tree. I'm inspiration.
okay, we got meron pa. Ether. Oh, okay, ready tayo. And last card. Okay, wala tayo nakuhang maganda.
We don't know if maganda yan, ha?
Hindi, wala lang yan. Wait lang. Wait lang. So, walang hit. I don't think nakakuha tayo ng hit. But, we'll sleeve it in case. Wala ko nakitang chase card, but ilagay na lang natin din ng sleeve kasi nandyan na rin naman. I think we'll open one more. One more? I think we'll open one more. So, meron pa tayong tatlong pack. Pili ka, Andre.
I'm gonna pick this one.
Yan pa to. Okay. Ito lang. Kaya tago na natin itong dalawa. So,
I want to be the one to hold this next.
hindi ko alam kung anong ano to, but yan. Tingnan natin yung iba. So we have our commons, and land.
You forgot how to play those.
So ito E. Hindi ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin ng E. Ito uncommon, rare, uncommon, pero naka-foil. So ito yung pinaka-rare natin.
Kasi hair means kinda good. What does that E mean?
Limited. Hindi ko alam.
You?
Let's try, ewan, hindi ko alam.
You?
Okay, second pack.
You kinda means ultra. Or
Hindi ko alam eh.
uncommon.
U is uncommon.
How about an
Okay.
ultra?
So, I think,
I want to be the
Wait
one
lang.
to hold it. I really
No,
want to
ako,
hold it
wala.
next.
Ako lang muna. Ninang muna. Zero. Oh, lan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Basahin mo nga.
Grandlus Van Breslop.
Okay. Uncommon siya.
Uriahatia. Omega Herbless Evolution. Joker.
True.
Arms.
Paladin's Arm.
Blue-haired guy.
Encounter. Blue-haired guy.
Yeah, sure. White Arcatar. Wings Shutter Heavy. Frog.
Ayan na. Uy! Wait. Okay. Case Magic.
I think that's kind of good.
Oh, no, Sea Cloud. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Okay, Lan. Lan na ano. Go. Itong rare natin. Tapos. Ayan.
Wait, how did we get to hollow?
Oh my golly.
How
Wala
did we
tayong
get to
ano.
hollow? How did we get to hollows?
Kamali ako dito. Di, ano naman yun? Lan lang naman yun. Oh man, wala tayong...
I want to see the
Wait.
I want
Wala
to see
tayong
the
nakuha pa rin. Mahirap pa talaga kumuha sa play booster lang. Alam ko may nakakakuha sa play booster eh.
I think you need to open a collector's booster. I want to check that.
Ay,
Ayun.
ayan, wala talaga. O weighted pack na ba to? Ay. Weighted pack kaya to? Ito nakuha natin, second natin. Second pack. Ito yung mga common natin.
There's a star here. White star.
Final Fantasy kasi yan. Ito Final Fantasy 2, 4, our commons, and commons. Okay, ito commons natin. Then, pasok tayo sa
There's
uncommons natin. Ang uncommons natin is yan. Pero yung iba wala pa tayo, so it's good. Nakuha tayo ng bagong card. And we're not doing any master set naman, but as ito yung mga ito yung LAN, Sarlan, tapos mga foils natin, common and uncommon na foil. Then ito ano to, parang okay, pag ano siya, nung naglalaro ko wala pang ganito eh. Tapos ito uncommon na full art, no borders, and are 2 rares from the pack. And syempre isang token. Bukas pa tayo isa.
what's a token?
Bukas pa tayo isa. Hindi
I
ako
really want to
satisfied.
hold it now. But I really want. You're open to. I really want. Yeah.
Excuse me.
What does a token means?
So ang bilang natin is 1, 2, 3, 4. Gawin muna natin 5. Tapos tingnan ko yung pang okay, ito. Ay! Sheesh! Okay, sige. Okay, magawa. Careful lang, careful.
Battle menu.
Pakita mo sa ano, hindi nakikita.
Battle menu. Where do I put this?
Asan ano ba siya? Uncommon. Dumunod ka sa uncommon.
You. The Prima Vista. Uncommon. Black Spot Snow Tree. That's a lot of uncommon. World Map. First common. White's Magic Staff. Common. Rocket's Turret. Common. Magic Infirmity or Green Humans. Common. Sir, what is Sherplex? Look, Daddy, look. Sherplex looks like an escape room. Sherplex. Quadrub Foray Slayer. Forayer. Barge Bow. Wait a minute, look. We got a regular one and a hollow one. Barge Bow. Come on. Token Hero. Treasure. Siren Lace of Scholars.
Yan.
This looks kinda cool.
Yep.
But it's common. Ooh. I think that's good. I think
It's like a, 20 pesos card or 50 pesos card.
oh, how is it an uncommon?
Full art siya, full art.
And then what's this gold thing?
Yan ang malalaman mo rare. May mythic yan. Iba ang color ng mythic. Mas, yan.
From the father to son.
Wala tayong magandang pulsa.
I think this is yung maganda.
I'm not satisfied. Hopefully, hindi weighted yung cards. Nawa-weight ba yung yung magic cards na booster? Buksan na natin
I
to.
think this is kinda good, right?
Last pack, last pack. I hope we get something
I
good.
want to be the one
No,
who
wala,
wants it
wala.
again.
Wala.
What's that
1,
Final Fantasy?
2, 3,
4, 5.
4, 5. Okay. Okay na. 5 nga.
It looks like a full art.
Oo nga, pero wala lang yan. Baka 20 pesos lang yan.
No wheeler.
Saan di yan yung hinahanap ko? Ang hinahanap ko yung si Tifa, si Cloud, pati si Aris na
Chocoboko.
pati, hindi, action, di nga yun. Blitzball. Hopefully, hindi siya weighted. Summon Choco on Mog.
Ay, it's Choco.
Oh,
Choco
pero
Mog
hindi,
is-
wala yan.
It's not a full art.
Light of Judgment.
Court for say
Good Drop, Forayer, Grand Purse Ocho, and back art, serial art. The land, or
already got that. What's that? This thing?
our foil, are rare. Ay, may mythic tayo. Ooh, Buster Sword.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kaso wala yung tao, may hawak yan. Our first mythic for the 4 packs.
Nice.
And our rare.
Wait, the rare looks kind of good than the other, right? We got a mythic.
Yeah, but
The rare looks cooler than the other rares. Darkness of
I hope it's not.
Eternity.
I just hope it's not weight. Kasi I'm planning to
It's
buy
literally
another
a mythic.
for 1 mythic for the 4 packs. But
No person.
wala yung gusto ko si Cloud, si Aris, pati si Latifa. So yun, that's it. We just opened some Magic card Final Fantasy again. So
Wait,
this is our
Daddy.
7 packs na. Kasi 3 packs na buksan namin noon and this is the 4 packs.
Wait, Daddy.
Yung 3 packs is galing sa Neutral Grounds and this 4 pack is galing sa Shopee. Ano yun?
Look. You said rare and mythic is different. Look, they really have the same gold.
No. Iba to. Iba yan, no?
Oh. Darkness of
Anyway,
Eternity
basta ano
is
yun.
one of the coolest.
So yan, that's it. Again, I'm Michael.
And great.
And we just opened some
Magic the Gathering and our best pack
Final
is a mythic.
Final Fantasy Magic the Gathering.
Wait, this is This is Cloud Sword.
Yes, that's Cloud Sword. Anyway, bye-bye.
Bye, this is our best card yet.